Alright, what's good with y'all extra super duper boofer niggas? It's me, Travis Scott, back again. We're gonna show you how to install our GPU into your motherboard. Here we have an RX 560B, one of the worst graphics cards on the market. You're gonna look for your PCIe Express slot. It's very long and it has this little lever thing. You're looking for that. It's not this thing because it doesn't have that thing at the end. You're looking for one of these. Take the golden pins on your GPU, line it up in the correct order. This little hook right there lines up with that thing. Just line it up. It's difficult to see. You can only know in person. All right, now it's semi-placed into it. And just like with the RAM slot, you want to push it with equal pressure on both sides of the GPU. And then if you press hard enough, it'll click into place. And before this thing was open, now it's closed. So if I lift up this piece of shit, it's very heavy, but yeah, it's in there. It's fucking in there. Not getting out anytime soon. If you want to remove it, you press this thing back. Clicks. Mine's very quiet, but yours might click. And then you just pull it out. Alright, this has been... man, fuck all y'all. I can't commentate. Travis Scott only knows how to make music. Fuck you.